Did you know that the Parker tracking system is used for more than just tagging a hose assembly? Much more, in fact. PTS IDs can be assigned to any product or component. From fittings to hydraulic pumps, PTS is enhancing traceability and maintenance efficiency across the board. A PTS ID can even be assigned to a competitive product or a miscellaneous component, such as a manifold, electric motor, etc. Many Parker products now come directly from our manufacturing locations with PTS IDs already in place, providing detailed product information, technical specifications, and documentation. And it gets even better with the Master Tag, ideal for complex assemblies like hydraulic power unit systems and subsystems. It streamlines service and provides comprehensive traceability. Unlock the full potential of PTS for all your components and systems. Visit www.parker.com/PTS to learn more.